So how do accountants charge for their services? So one of the things you'll often see is that they will do a piece of work and then you'll get an invoice, and hopefully you'll know what the price of that invoice is going to be before you agree for them to do the work. In the past, it used to be a case of you get the accountant to do the work and sometime later you'd find out how much it costs, which is not a great way to do business. So most accountants now will give you the price up front. And if they're not giving you the price up front, you ask them why they can't give you the price up front. Are they not sure how to package their services? So the accountant will give you the price up front, and that might be for a particular piece of work. So it might be for your tax return, okay? And that price will be for your tax return. It won't be for the advice and extra things that you might need from the accountant. They will be done as separate projects. So you might have a need to get advice on whether you can afford to buy this new piece of equipment and whether you need to borrow. Now that will be a separate piece of advice and a separate invoice from your accountant to doing your tax return or your end of year financial statements. But that's just the first level, really. If you're working with an ongoing relationship with your accountant, they will be providing advice and services to you on a regular basis, and they might package that in terms of a set of a monthly fee, which includes a range of services, and that might include your annual financial statements, your tax return, it might include being your ASIC registered agent, maybe some tax planning, maybe a bit of advice every month, a certain amount with some limits on it. And that might be how they've designed their packages to work with you. And you can choose what level you want, and hopefully it will be a good match. But generally what we find is that when we package things that way, there are always services that you don't want, or there's services that you do need that are not included in the package, and then there's that dilemma about is it or isn't it included. So how we approach packaging services is that we work with you and design a package that's tailored to your specific needs. So, and the size of your business. So obviously a larger business is going to require more work than a smaller business. So we design our packages to suit your particular needs, and that will change from time to time. But we'll have that conversation with you on what do you really need your accountant to do. So you might not know what the answers to those questions are, but we will go through all of the individual services that are available as part of our standard package, and you can choose whether you want that service, and then that package is designed around the needs for your business at that time. So as your business grows, your needs will change, and we review what we're doing for you on an annual basis. And different accountants will work differently with different businesses. So we like to work with you to get the best result for your business because you have individual needs, and we want to make sure that we're meeting them.